sorry, 10th class social. Today we learn about the lesson 16th lesson election process in India. 16th lesson election process in India. You know them at your home. Any one decision to you, is it possible on there? All the members? Any one decision? Yes, it is possible. Why? Because of few members are in there at our home. In our school, few classes are there. The few members are there sitting on the classroom, and within the boundaries is the possible. But whole country, is it possible? Whole family's decision, is it possible? Is it possible, Anana? No. No. Why? Because of India is a vast country. India is a vast country like India, which has an enormous population. You know the present how many crores of the population? Nearly 135 crores population. Is it possible? It is never possible for all the people get together and to take a decision. So there is the need of elections. Are you understanding that? India is a vast country like like India, which has an enormous population, nearly on the 135 crores. Is the second biggest populated country in the world. It is never possible for all the people get together and take decision. So there is need of elections. India is the largest democratic country in the world. It is also one of them. India is a democratic. Democratic means people choice on their okay na, who the ruled person we elect on the in the process only for the democratical process. Okay, in India is a parliamentary type of a democratic process in India. Already last lesson you learned about that. Okay na, the election commission of India conducts the elections by forming code of conduct to political parties. Okay na, in the government ruled on the from the parties, elected members. This is the best example. Here the central level MPs, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha MPs. Here ruled. The help of them here on the decision and take to the promoted to the Prime Minister and sent to the within the sign the President of India. After these the rules are the process. Is the rules. Anyone you need to entirely on the how is it possible? These the political parties gathered together and the decision to take and the implementation. How will be implementation is possible? In these the political parties, members are elected by the persons. In these how will be who are elected? The election commission conduct the elections. Who are the main persons? Who are the democratic process in the which person are elected are there in the process. Okay na? Next, it came into the existence. Election commission it came existence in the 25th January 1950 onwards. This is an autonomous constitutional body. Our election commission is the autonomous constitutional body. It is not a job. Okay, it is all the members are included in it is autonomous. Autonomous means Telugu locally named Swayam Pratipatti another. The decision also taken in the one decision. Not okay no problem. Audio video class also. Okay, video class also yes and no problem. Don't worry nana. Okay nana. All right. During the hello. Okay nana. You have to observe. Okay, in the process. Okay nana, no problem. During the British rule, only the 14% of the population and had a right to vote in the elections. After the population of after the independence, 17.32 crores in the voters are there. At present is the 67 crores of the voters in our country. Okay na? 25th January 2010, the Election Commission of India is celebrated as a Diamond Jubilee celebrations and announced the 25th January 2011 as a first voters day. 2011 onward. Okay na? For every January 25th is the first voter day. Now here also every year we celebrate on the voters day. In the every January, every year 25th January. At present, 3 members of the elections commission is in existence. One of the member of them the chief election commissioner and 2 election commissioners and 2 are the election commissioners. EC prepares is the electoral roll means the voters list and receives them in due time. Anyone the new persons are joined and that persons are left on the here is the process handled after the election commission. EC needs about in the election process to conduct on the total entire India. Is it only is not a separate staff? Is it now need to 45 lakhs staff, but it has no separate staff as per the article 324/6 of the Constitution. It utilizes the services of a central and the state government employees. These the employees help of the conduct the elections. Now during the election time, the EC controls over the government employees. Is not a the only decision on the take anyone a person anyone employee do not get a decision. Is it not possible without the prior the permission of the Central Election Commission? The staff can neither be a transfer nor be a given the promotions also a staff. Okay na? Any promotions, any staff transfers, any other than the decisions is without Central Election Commission. Is it not a rule on there? Okay na? Why? Because of it is a Central Election Commission is the autonomous body. The decision is the final decision in this the commission. The right to vote without any discrimination is called the universal adult franchise. You know them, Nana? How many years of their completion are there? 18 years. Or above. Okay, na? Or above candidate. Above or person is she or her is a voter. He become a voter. 18 years any person should cross with them the as a birth. And above the persons are the voters in the voters list. In a state, if a party wins the 3% of valid voters or 3 assembly seats is declared as a regional party. You know them, Nana? Suppose in our TRS, TDP, okay, na? And other than the parties, TDP, okay, na? Here in our state. Indeed, the TDP and TRS is the regional parties. Both are the regional parties. He become a party will be then the 3% of valid votes are 3 assembly seats. Assembly and MLA seats. Okay, na? MLA seats are it is declared as a regional party. For example, TRS and TDP and so on. Okay, na? If a party is recognized in 4 states with 6% of valid votes or 11 Lok Sabha MP seats from 4 different states, it is called a national party. Okay, na? Anyone the national party become there the 11 Lok Sabha seats within the 4 states, or here is there the in there the election conduct with there the 6% of valid votes are there the he become a national party in the 4 states. Okay, for example, BJP, Congress. Okay, na? Here on there some parties are there the national parties. EC has laid down some rules and regulations to ruling the parties and code of conduct to all the political parties. Why? Because of in their in time the election to do in the parties a decision or not a decision. Okay, within the election process. Okay, any time the election is election conduct on there some dates are announced onwards. In these the parties do not on the any the use of the government schools or government other than vehicles are not used on there. Okay, within the limits of the EC Commission. The Chief Electoral Officer at the state level assist the EC of India. In our state level Chief Electoral Officer. It is a assistant to the Central Election Commission of India. Okay, na? Next, in the your regional of the conduct of the returning officer is appointed to conduct a minor elections in every constituency. For suppose here is there the MLA constituency, MP constituency. Okay, na? Here are there the election is the whose are authority of the returning officer. Okay, na? Suppose the district level returning officer is the collector. Okay, na? Already you process on there. Next, here is the presiding officer, booth level. Is there the one booth level the presiding officer and other officers to conduct their elections. And the result announcement after that, who was the winning candidate to send on their certificate and he become the MLA or MPs. Okay, na? You are the appointed. Okay, na? You was on the main person on there. Okay, na? Here are there the. Okay, na? Are you understand? Remaining the lesson next class will be the continuation on there. Thank you to one another.